Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. CapCut has revolutionized video editing for many, offering a user-friendly experience across both mobile and desktop platforms. This updated tutorial will guide you through mastering the basics, starting with mobile, then desktop, and finally, general tips applicable to both. Let's start with the mobile. So go ahead and open the app and make sure that it's updated or downloaded. CapCut's mobile app is renowned for its intuitive touch-based interface, making it incredibly accessible for quick edits on the go. This is the interface overview now. So when you open CapCut, you will see in here this new project or templates or even inbox and me, that is your profile or cloud projects. In this place also you have this home screen which shows your recent projects. We have templates, which is a huge collection of pre-made video templates where you just replace clips, perfect for trending content. Let's get started right here. Just tap on this project, new project, import now media. Your device gallery will open and just select the video clips and photos that you want to use by tapping on them. Go ahead and click on add to bring the selected media onto your timeline. And we have this preview window which shows your video in real time. You also have this timeline at the bottom. This is the main workspace where you arrange and manipulate clips. We have the main toolbar here at the bottom as well. This contextual toolbar changes based on what you have selected. These are some of the common options, which include editing. So for basic clip manipulations, where you can split by clicking on it like this. You also have the speed, which we shall see how to do that. We have crop, rotate, and many more. We also have audio, which is for adding music, sound effects, voiceovers, or even extracting audio. We have text for adding titles, captions, or text templates. We also have stickers, which is for adding animated graphics and emojis. We have overlays for adding picture-in-picture videos or images. We also have effects for visual video effects, body effects, and even AI effects. We also have filters for quick color grading presets. We can also have adjust, which is for manual color correction and visual adjustments. For stickers from the main toolbar, tap stickers here and then browse thousands of animated emojis and social media icons, arrows. Tap to add it. We also have transitions. You can add transitions. So connecting clips, tap the white icon that appears between two clips on your timeline. Choose transition, browse categories like motion, camera, and many more. You can also adjust duration, use the slider to set how long the transition lasts, and then tap the check mark to apply. We also talked about speed. You can adjust it, tap the clip you want to speed up or slow down. In the toolbar, tap speed. Drag the slider to set a consistent speed for the entire clip, e.g. 0.5x for half speed, 2x for double speed. Once your masterpiece is complete, tap the export icon right here at the top, and then you can adjust these settings. You can adjust the resolution, that is choose 720p, 1080p, or 4K. We can also change the frame rate, that is 24 FPS for cinematic, 30 FPS for standard, or even 60 FPS. We also have code rate, where generally just leave this on recommended. Tap export so the video will render and save to your phone's gallery. After export, you will see quick share options for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, and many more. Let's get now to the second part, that is CapCut on desktop. CapCut Desktop offers a more traditional non-linear editing experience with greater precision and a larger workspace, ideal for longer projects or more complex edits. This is the interface overview. So when you launch CapCut Desktop, you'll see this welcome screen with options like this one, create project here. You can also open recent projects and choose them from here, or even explore templates. Once you click create project like this one, you will be brought in here where we have media panel at the top left corner. This is your main library where you import, store, and access all your video, audio, image, and graphic files. It also contains CapCut's built-in stock videos, photos, music, sound effects, and we shall see all this. We also have preview window, which is here, the right side of it. This displays your video playback. We also have the properties panel, which is the rightmost panel. This dynamic panel changes based on what you select on the timeline. It allows you to precisely control settings for video clips. We have the timeline here at the bottom, which is your primary workspace. It's multi-track, meaning you can layer multiple video clips. In the media panel here, click import to browse your computer's folders. Once imported, drag your clips from the media panel down to the timeline. We now have these essential basic editing techniques. We have trimming. Click a clip on the timeline here to select it. Hover your mouse over the beginning or end edge and drag inward or outward to trim or extend the clip. We also have splitting. Place the playhead here at the desired cut point on the timeline. Click the selected clip. Click the split icon in the toolbar above the timeline to delete an unwanted segment. Click it and press delete, and you should be done. Now adjust clip volume as well. Click the desired clip on the timeline. In the right hand properties panel, go to audio tab and then adjust the volume slider here. You can also use the fade in and fade out sliders for smooth volume transitions. Let's get to adding music and sound effects. Go to the audio tab in the top left panel. Music or sound effects are here. Just browse CapCut's libraries. Drag your chosen audio track down to an audio track on the timeline below your video tracks. You can also import your own via the media panel and drag them to the timeline. We also can add text and captions. Go to the text tab in the top left panel. The default text is here. Drag this to a video track above your main video. Just edit it in here. You can also customize the text. In the properties panel, customize font, size, color, etc. We can also change the animations. Go to the animation tab in the properties panel to add in, out, and loop animations to your text. We also have text templates. We also have auto captions, which is AI powered. Use it here and CapCut will generate captions on a new track. You can then edit them, style them, and even animate them. You can also add stickers and overlays. Just add overlays and stickers right in here. We can also apply effects and filters. Let's see effects. So go to effects here, tab in the top left panel, and then browse video effects. Even body effects are here. And drag an effect directly onto a clip on your timeline. Adjust its parameters in the right hand panel properties here. We also have filters. Go to the filters tab, drag a color preset filter onto a new track above your video. Adjust its intensity and duration as well. We also have adjustments. Click a clip, go to the adjustments tab in the right hand properties panel. Here you have precise control over brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpen, and many more. You can also add transitions. Go to the transitions tab in the top left panel. Drag your desired transition onto the timeline between two clips. Adjust its duration in the right hand panel properties here. You can also adjust speed. Click the clip on the timeline. Go to the speed tab in the right hand properties panel. We have normal where you can adjust the consistent speed of the entire clip. We also have curve, smooth, slow motion here, an option for fluid, slow motion. Export now your desktop video. Just click the export here once you are done and once you are satisfied with your edits. And we have some export settings. You can add the title and export to here. You can choose the destination folder on your computer. Resolution, select your desired output quality, e.g. 1080 and 4K. We also have format, bitrate, frame rate, and codec. Just adjust them accordingly. Once done, click export and the video will render and you will see a progress bar here. Now these are some of the general tips for mastering CapCut both for mobile and desktop. Practice, practice, and practice. The best way to learn any editing software is by consistently and constantly experimenting. Don't be afraid to try every button and slider. Start simple, then build. Utilize the templates as well. Sync to music. Don't overdo effects or transitions. High quality source footage as well. Stay updated. CapCut releases frequent updates with new features and AI tools. Review your work. Watch your video several times, looking for pacing, audio levels, visual consistency, and any small errors. Also, we have copyright awareness. Be cautious about using copyrighted music. So by following this comprehensive guide, and dedicating time to practice, you'll quickly become proficient in CapCut, capable of creating engaging and high quality video content on both mobile and desktop. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.